Cricket is India's passion, religion and pride. India never had a dearth of cricketing talent. Be it a deadly spin quartet that terrorized world cricket in the 1970s, or the legendary Kapil Dev's team that defeated unbelievable odds to become the world champions in 1983. Since then, Indian cricket has come a long way. However, the world has also advanced a lot. Nothing is left to chance anymore. Today, all the top teams focus heavily on advanced biomechanics, personalized hydration and recovery, and computer-aided analysis and strategy. The sport is more science and technology driven than ever. Gatorade, world's #1 sports drink, has constantly helped sportsmen to perform at their peak by providing them optimum hydration. Gatorade Sports Science Institute in Chicago works closely with top sportsmen from around the world, especially fast bowlers, helping them to perform at their best. The unique opportunity to apply Gatorade's hydration expertise and passion for sport in discovering and grooming young fast bowling talent gave birth to Gatorade Pacers. Started in 2007, Gatorade Pacers has grown from strength to strength. Over the last 3 years, the initiative has reached out to thousands of budding fast bowlers from across the country and picked out the most promising talents with the help of fast bowling greats like Mr. T.A. Sekar, Wasim Akram and Javagal Srinath. More importantly, Gatorade Pacers has helped provide best in-class training and support to these budding youngsters to help them serve the country in the near future. The results have been encouraging, with our Pacers being picked for various Ranji teams, IPL squads, under-19 teams and English county clubs.
When we look back, we believe our success is due to the dedicated focus on pace bowling within cricket and the sincere and objective selection criteria that we have used to unearth talent. In fact, we chose to focus on fast bowling partially because the performance can be objectively measured and improved upon. The selection criteria that we have constantly applied are speed, accuracy, variation, and action, which are measured by qualified and experienced coaches.
Apart from running a great talent hunt, Gatorade brings another unbeatable advantage to the table: its undisputed leadership in sports hydration and recovery worldwide. A great sports person needs top-notch fitness and optimal hydration apart from finely developed skills. We drew upon international learnings from world-famous Gatorade Science Institute in Chicago, US, which has developed thousands of athletes worldwide with winning personal hydration and nutrition strategies.
मैं क्या करूँगा Gatorade Pacers के लिए? I will be telling then of course about swing bowling, wrist positioning as well, and weaknesses of the batsman. कि batsman की weakness कैसे judge करनी है. Imagine अगर मुझे at the age of 16 पता लगा होता कि batsman की fielding weakness कैसे पता करनी है, मुझे कम से कम मैं शायद 150 विकेटें और ले जाता international cricket में.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the 4th edition of this initiative, Gatorade Pacers 2010.